Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Very exciting day today. Just received the new Leatherman Garage parts, the knife as we all call it. You can see box is still sealed. Very excited to open this. So let's open it and see how it looks like. This one's just taped once. The other one was Garage Parts 2 was much better taped. Let's have a look. Okay, so box in a box. That's good shipping. I was nervous. I saw a video and it looked like it was just in the box. So standard garage box. Oh, sounds like something's loose in here. There we go. Okay, first look. Okay, here is the form to say what it is and just general information, how to take the blades off. Let's pop that out the frame. Changing the knife blade, just about that, just normal like that. And here we are. Oh, one blade did move, so let's pop that back there. Okay, let's have a look at this. Can you hear that? That's the G10 handles. Yeah, very cool. Very, very cool. Quite a bit bigger than I thought it was going to be. Belt clip, let's open it up. Yeah, for me, it's quite a nice big knife. Feels well in the hands. Not as heavy. You can see it is nicely balanced. Can't really feel now, but it is quite heavy on the blade side. Very nice. And I've seen a video, the locking mechanism is over here at the back. There we go. So, and then you just pull these backwards and it clicks in. Very nice. Let's see what else we got in here. Pop that here. Second blade over here. This is the 154 cm blade. So then this would be the S30V. Yes. And then the little bit kit. So this almost looks like the little part from a wave. I actually have a wave here. Let's have a look at it. Yeah. So yep, this is literally parts they had laying around. So that's exactly a little wave bit kit. Let's pop that to the side. So yeah, T8 and a T6. Okay, sorry, I'm trying to look over my camera to see everything. And then yeah, is the little paracord that you get with that. I think you can push through here and then just like the photos showed basically. So let's get this out again. Let's pop this back. So I actually quite like it. It looks pretty cool. I'm not gonna change the blades or take them off. I've seen videos where you loosen there and I think you loosen here and then the blade comes off. It is quite a nice size blade. Let's actually close this. And then to give you guys an idea, this is a little KBX. So let's just close this. The mechanism is very strange. It's not as easy as anything else. So to give you guys an idea, side by side with the KBX, open them up. side by side. Let's see if we can get this in the frame. So a little bit bigger than a KBX, but it is a much bigger in the hand than a KBX as well. Let's have a look what else we have here. Here's an old Leatherman tool. Give you an idea. Let's just close the blade. So just an idea to show you how big it is compared to different tools. And then obviously here's the wave we just had. So it's bigger than a wave, obviously not as thick. Yeah, very, very cool. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, let me know what you guys think of this.